Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel World Car List. So today I'm up with a new video with you all sharing about the new 2023 Toyota Avalon. The present Avalon is the fourth generation which will be replaced by a new model in 2023. Although Avalon does not require many changes, a more simplified front-end structure would be preferable. It would also be a good idea to install a touchscreen display screen on the dashboard that the driver may use. Avalon is basically already attractive and appealing from the outside. On the inside, it boasts a roomy layout that is ideal for accommodating 5 persons in comfort. In summary, the Avalon strikes a good balance between the outside and the internal spaces. Hopefully, it will be used in the future Avalon film. Other revisions for 2023 have been revealed by the Toyota, the TRD variant, as well as the XLE AWD Limited AWD and XSE Nightshade trims will not be offered again. The XSE Hybrid will be replaced by a new Hybrid Nightshade variant. The TNGA structure will be used for the forthcoming, that is the audio channel, basically on this 4SK. So guys, talking about its inline features and the turbocharge. So let's just first have a look on its interior design that has been upgraded, that it's been the most stylish and the most variable and the best car that can be offered. So guys, this is basically about this car. So now just going up to its running lights, that is the Subaru and the Honda Fit. Okay, so talking about the Ford Focus, and all these cars are the basic competitors for the same and has improper accommodations for the same. Guys, having a newly developed twin turbo V6 with the same engine has features like an adaptive cruise control with the same features of car. Apps training, we had a look at what we know about this car. This is basically two features that may has already been spotted, analyzed with the spy shots future. Talking about its test tracks and everything, this is basically to deliver an accelerating driving experience. Okay, so basically talking about all the combined total, this was the premium and the primer price that has been shared with this accommodations. The technologies, the basic things has obviously the Toyota and 5 persons in comfort. Alexa and also Wi-Fi QI cellular charger interior trims would also improve it, including leather and hardwood materials to basically deliver a calmer and a better ambience. For this display screen, it would be integrated with the home security and a navigation system, including with the car configuration. Avalon sales in 2020 reached just 18,420 units, and 2021's tally is shaping up being just as low. Toyota hasn't said anything but has an concerning their upcoming Avalon. However, traced back to the previous habit, you can expect the summer arrival. So check out for 2022 summer launch if possible. The company hasn't mentioned anything about their official price, but guys, stay tuned on this channel to get the further information and the latest information on this channel. Thank you guys for listening up my video. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. Guys, do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye. Guys,